So starting with basic bone anatomy. Okay, so if you see about this bone composition, okay, so you will get the bone is basically comprised of the two part. One is cell and the second part is your matrix portion. Okay, so the cell comprise of only 10% of that and matrix is about 90%. All right, so if you see about the cell can be divided in three parts. Okay, so osteoblast, osteocyte and osteoclast. Okay, and the matrix portion can be divided into two parts. One is organic and second is inorganic. Okay, so let's start with osteoblast. All right, so as you know, the osteoblast is by term it's called the bone forming cells. Okay, so what it do, it basically forms, it become mature and form the bone composition. It transforms into osteocytes. Okay, it has its various receptor attached to it. All right, it can also promote in for activation of osteo osteoclast. Okay, yes, if you see about this osteocyte part, the osteocyte part has 90% of the cells. Okay, so it's basically the pillar, the basic structure of your bone. Okay, so it has various receptor attached with it. One is calcitonin receptor and the PTH. Okay, a parathyroid hormone. If you see about this osteoclast part, okay, so it's derived off by its macrophage, or you can also call it monocyte lineage. Okay, so basically it degrades the bone. Okay, it attacks the bone and it's degraded. Okay, it's remove its calcium, it's break down its matrix portion. All right, so how it do, so the suppose this is the osteoclast. Okay, so basically it get activated, and who activated it, the osteoblast part with the influence of PTH. Okay, so in osteoclast it has rank and rankle mechanism. Okay, so influence of PTH, it activate osteoblast and simultaneously osteoclast get activated and it form its mature form. Okay, it has ruffled border. Okay, so if you see this borders, okay, it's called ruffled border. Okay, and it create a lacuna shape structure. Okay, so if you see this structure, it's of lacuna shape, which is also known as horse shaped lacuna. Okay, All right. So what it do? It create the aesthetic medium in that